Okay, so now we're going to do the second round of our granny square. And I've done a little diagram to help you understand how granny squares work. So we have our circle in the middle, which is made of a chain 6. Then we did chain 3 and 2 double crochets. Then we did a chain 3, 3 more double crochets, chain 3, another cluster of double crochets, chain 3, another 3 double crochets, chain 3, and then we slip stitched our chains together. Final chain and our beginning chain. So you'll notice that it's the chain 3s that make the corners of the square. Okay, so it's chain 3s here, make me a big hole there. Okay, so that's what's making it corners. So we've just slip stitched here. And now we're going to do some more slip stitches because slip stitches are invisible. So we're going to go into this stitch here. Okay, remember in the last video I said that stitches in crochet look like the letter V. I hold them that way. It's like a V. And that's like a V going into that V. And that one's like a V as well. You might not understand that just now, but once you become a more experienced crocheter, you'll understand. So I'm going to go into that V. Okay, so I've got the whole V, both threads, on my hook. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to pull through everything. Okay, and then into the next V. Yarn over, pull through. And then into this big space, I'm going to slip stitch. Just yarn over, pull through. Now I'm going to chain 3. So that's just like we started our last round, but instead of going into the circle, I'm going into this space here, space in the corner. So I'm going to do double crochet, yarn over, go into the corner space, pull up your loop through 2, and then yarn over through 2 again, and the third double crochet. So we always work with clusters of 3 double crochets. Okay, so there's my chain 3 and my 2 double crochets in the corner. Now, the second round is a little bit different because in every corner space we're going to have 2 clusters of double crochets and a chain 3. So there's my first cluster of 3 double crochets together, chain 3, and then into the same hole, the same corner hole, I'm going to do another 3 double crochets. Just need some more yarn. One, 2, 3. Okay, so see, it's always the chain 3 that makes a corner. Okay, so that's my corner there, and then there's another corner space here. So when we're not making a corner, but we're going to start another cluster, we just do 1 chain. So 1 chain. And then my cluster of 3 double crochets in the next corner space. 1, 2, 3. And this is a corner we're in, so we do a chain 3. And 3 double crochets. Okay, so that's my corner finished. Got my 3 double crochets, my chain 3, my 3 double crochets. So that's my corner. Okay, that was the corner space we worked in, and that'll be the corner space we work in when we do the next round. So because I've finished my corner, I only do a chain 1. And then 1, 2. I'm not really letting you see this because you know how to do these already, these double crochets. Just trying to get around. So then 3 chains because we're in a corner, and into the same space we do another 3 double crochets. So 2, so 3. So there's my corner space I've been working in. I've got 3 double crochets, corner space, which is chain 3 and 3 double crochets. So my corner's finished. That means I just do a chain 1, just 1 chain stitch. Then I'm in my last corner, 3 double crochets, chain 3 because we're in a corner, and 3 double crochets again. Okay, so that's me finished that corner. 3 double crochets, corner chain 3, and my 3 double crochets, all in the same corner space from the first round. So I'm not in a corner anymore, I just chain 1, because a chain 1 makes the sides. Chain 3 for corners, chain 1 on sides. And then this is the chain 3 I started with here. It looks like a double crochet, but it's a chain 3. And then I'm just going to push into it, to the top, pull some yarn through both of those loops, and that's it all joined together. Okay, and it will just go on the same, well, slightly the same. The next round is the only one that's a little bit different, and then they just go on exactly the same. So I'll show you how to do the next round in the next video.